My name's Esta. I work for the Rhondda the Cynon Taf Heritage Service and I'm the Heritage Outreach Apprentice. I'm dyslexic, so I went through university and it could be a struggle reading and writing, and history isn't all about that. And that's what I love about it. All children, no matter their abilities, can learn. It's really important we learn about the history in a Wales perspective, because we need to understand where we fit into this world. Like this site here was Lewis Merthyr Colliery, so Rhondda Heritage Park used to be Lewis Merthyr Colliery, and it's quite poignant for me because my grandfather was a miner in the Rhondda, so I feel closer to him being here. I was very surprised when I was nominated, so it's just nice that I'm being recognised for that work.